teams now remain in the Conference Carolina tournament, but only one of them is going to get their ticket punched to Chicago for the NCAA tournament. I'm Vinny Lopes for Off the Block, and what a doozy of a conference tournament semifinals we had tonight in the Conference Carolinas, as both Erskine and Mount Olive were able to get victories to advance to the championship match on Wednesday. Mount Olive was able, as number 3 seed, was able to get a road victory against Pfeiffer. A great victory for them, being able to get a good overtime victory in Game 1 and then carry on that momentum, recovering from a Game 2 loss to win Games 2 and 3. And then Erskine, the regular season champion, the number 1 seed in this tournament, played like it, getting a good quality victory against Barden. Had to win 2 of those games in overtime. Barden played hard, played tough, pushed them to the limit, but Erskine just a little too much for Barden this year. So you look at this championship match right now between Erskine and Mount Olive, and the thing that you have to like about this match is the fact that both team superstars have shown up in this conference tournament. Angel Dassey for Mount Olive. He won the Conference Carolina Player of the Year, and he played like it in the semifinal match, having a match-high 23 kills, including some clutch kills in the 4th game to secure the victory. And then you go to the other side of the net with Erskine. Michael Michelieu, he played fantastic, had 18 kills in the sweep. He was a first-team all-conference player. He played like it, and he showed that he deserved to be to earn that honor as one of the top players in the conference. So it's shaping up to be a fantastic championship match on Wednesday night. One of these teams is going to become the first Conference Carolina team ever to represent their conference in the NCAA tournament, and you couldn't pick 2 better programs to be fighting for that 1 spot. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens on Wednesday night. Well, that does it for us here. I'm Vinny Lopes.